Traders, just having a quick look at the markets. It's not the best time of the year to be trading, to be honest. Santa's coming tonight, according to a lot of people. Let's have a look at gold. Yeah, I mean, it was trending down. We've got to be a little bit careful. See how this is now. It's a 4-hour chart and it's trending, but we now see this break higher high, higher low set up here. Okay, so we want to be pretty careful with this. Same thing with silver. See here, higher low? Higher high, I should say. Well, yeah, higher high, higher low. I mean, it might roll over. And again, you know, we probably want to have a look at the seasonality aspect. Had a look at this yesterday. Silver and gold, end of the year. Yeah, you want to be a little bit careful right now. So we can select a date. I'm going to go December. It's the 24th. We'll go to the end. 24 to 27. Okay, 90% bullish with silver. It's the same story with gold, actually. You know, it could be that 1 out of 10 that is, runs in the opposite direction. That could be the case. But from a seasonality perspective, over the last 10 years, silver has been bullish in this last week. Have a look at gold. Same 75% winning, okay, in the last week. Right, we're looking 24 to 27. You got this holiday thing going on, guys. It's not the best time to be trading. So, I mean, look, we are seeing bullish price action with silver and gold at the moment. You see that? All right, there's a shift in the trend, definitely. But, do you want to get involved with that? You can even take that out. You want to be looking for anything that's trending, higher highs and higher lows, and wait for a setup. If you want to see how it's trending, include the trend channel. Right, and you can see, and look, just look at the highs. Lower high, lower low. Okay. Dollar CAD. Doesn't look very inspiring, to be honest. Flat, slightly up. Yeah, guys, it's the end of the year. Christmas Eve. Oh, look at that. Christmas Eve. Higher high, higher low. Honestly, I'm not inspired. I don't really want to get involved. Everything's, giving us this sort of reversal thing into the end of the year. All right. Just not inspiring at all, guys. Look at it. Oh, yeah, that was our pound dollar last week. You want to watch out. Higher low at the moment. With something like this, you want to see the break above, right? We've got this, and to get involved, you really do want to see something like that. Pound yen, pound Swiss. It doesn't look too happy. Pound yen could be something. But look and see, what's been happening since, Friday. Monday and Tuesday, right? This is Friday, Monday, Tuesday, right there. Trended up on Friday, Monday and Tuesday. Yeah, there's very thin liquidity in the markets, guys. Now you might get a little bit of movement here and there. Thin liquidity, and you're gonna see wider spreads and possibly a bit of volatility. It's really unpredictable in this week, and I would really encourage you to sit back, play with the kids, play with the pets, and just take it easy. Pound Oz, that was a thing last week, wasn't it? That's run out of steam. We had a couple of nice trades, or one nice trade there, but look, see what's happening, guys, this week? The no-go zone. Nothing is inspiring me at all. This is, since Friday, Monday, Asia, London, New York session, and look what we're getting. See that? So, a couple of things. It's possible, like I was just looking at gold and silver right at the end of the year, and this is 24th to 27th of December. We've seen both gold and silver rally. 75% were, but look, see, no trade due to holiday, blah, blah, blah. See that? It's a bit thin, guys. Stay out of it. Just for a bit of fun, and I would encourage you to try this on a demo account. Let's just go to gold, and we'll go down to the 15M. Bring on the trend track, take out the sessions, 15-minute trend track. If, hypothetically, you bought and sold on every first, this alert here, the square, that one, that one, just out of curiosity, gold. So we got green bars turning red and red bars turning green. Let's just see what that looks like. They're not all going to be as happy as this, but very tight stop. Because when it's ranging, it'll give a mix of signals. But out of curiosity, very tight stop. On the first, you could even go in on the pullback. Well, so far, you've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7R, something like that. And that red one caught you out. But, you can increase the probability factor by only going red following the red signal when you have all this red color on the chart. I'm just having a little bit of fun here, guys. There's a sell and a square alert there, right? So we've seen prior to this the red, and down the bottom here underneath it's pretty solid red, right? So if we were to go for this red, even the sell, but when that's red across the board, what does it look like when we go back? It looks pretty good, actually. These green turning to red, tight stop. You're only interested in red here. The pullback, green turning to red. I mean, you can see the sell here. These red signals, green turning to red. Everything worked out, but when it's trending sideways, I mean, all of these red signals are good. All of these green signals were good, right? Early on here into the green zone. Just remember, we're going with a very tight stop, extremely tight. Look at these signals here. Right, that one could have caught you with a tight stop, possibly, but the rest of them, well, even that one was okay. I'm going to be getting into this into the new year, guys. There's a 2R already on that one. If you entered there, well, after this red signal there, see? But even if you entered, that's a bit late to the party, depending on your stop loss. They're not all going to work out, but most of these, I mean, look at it. I'll be diving into this into the coming year, guys. We're going to be exploring these indicators and what they're offering. See, there's nothing through here. Fine. But when the red zone kicks in, very tight stop, 2R, it's 2.6. Just go for a steady 2R. That one could have, depends where you got involved with that. Right at the beginning would have been fine with a tight stop here, but, anywhere else, okay, that might have caught you out. Fair enough. But it's these, when we get involved with these here, that make the difference. And when we go for a decent risk reward, could have got caught out on this one, but previously, no. Look at that. Yeah, gold. We're going to be in for an interesting year, guys, 2025, and I'm pretty excited about it. Getting some good feedback from some of my members who are running with these indicators. Now, there's a bit of a change coming to our VIP. You guys who are currently in VIP now will have VIP forever at the current price, but I'm introducing 3 levels shortly. Silver is just the Forex signals only, $29.95, just the Forex VIP. That's it, nothing else. Oh, and the mentorship, right? Gold will be the Forex channel. Crypto's a bit of a work in progress, but it'll include the crypto channel and the indicators, right? So gold will be $49.95, and you get the benefits of silver plus the crypto and the indicators. And then platinum, get everything from silver and gold plus the indices and stock market channel. And this is going to be $79.95. So we have these 3 levels. Anyone can upgrade or downgrade. That's coming. Now you guys for $29.95 are locked in complimentary platinum, so you gain access to everything. As soon as those of you on the free trial, as soon as that free trial is over, you're going to be a fully fledged platinum member for $29.95 a month. That will be changing tomorrow. Any new members won't have access to platinum or gold on the $29.95. Anyway, that's what's coming, guys. We are making some changes. All right, so look, I don't think I'll be doing much today. I'll be watching the markets. If anything comes up, I'll make a bit of noise. All right, but let's just relax, hang back, and look forward to a prosperous 2025 for sure. Okay, that's a wrap. I hope you have a great day, and to be continued as usual.